Welcome back to ES6 tutorial series where you will get to learn about new standard of writing the JavaScript. So let's talk about the template literals. So to have that, I will just create a variable which is equal to the quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change that you wish to see in the world. So console log this quote, reload the page, not a problem, but here comes the problem. I want to say like this, dash dash, then Mahatma Gandhi. So you can see this editor also giving this error, and obviously here also we are getting. So to solve this, the new literal template literals will help you. So we have to use here backticks, and this backticks will be on just below the escape in your keyboard. Okay, so now if I reload, yeah, it says as it is I want to give. So that's very nice thing. But what I will do now, I will cut it from here and above this create one more variable called name and paste this. Okay, and now here as before I want to use that variable name here. So how will I use that, because this is something new. So to use a variable inside this backticks statement, we have to use this curly braces, and before that we have to use this dollar sign. So this represents that there is some kind of variable. So now if I reload, you can see again this is here Mahatma Gandhi, and which is coming from this name variable. Okay, so this is very nice. But I want to say something like let number 1 is equal to 10. Okay, so that should be number 1. Okay, then console log. Now I will say here the number is and plus number 1. That's good, that is great. But what I want, because we are learning template literal, so why not use that? So let's delete all these things, use backticks, and here I will say the number is, then dollar curly braces and number 1. Save this, reload, and exactly the same thing, and obviously all things in the same line. And let's see one more magic. I will say here multiply by 2 and reload, and yeah, we have 20 here. So if I want to say like 10 multiply by 2, I have to show that. So I will just close this, and here it is. So again I will say is equal to 20. So the number is 10 multiplied by 2 is equal to 20. So you can see how much powerful it is. And if I use another number like here number 2, and instead of 2 I can use that. So number 2 and same result. And if I want to multiply these two variables, just have to do same thing as we have done before, multiply by number 2, and 20 is here. Great thing. So I will create value is equal to a function. It will just return number 1 multiplied by number 2. Okay, so let's see the result. So what I have to do, console log, and here the value function. Let's just comment this, reload this page. 20 is here, that's very nice. 10 into 2 is 20. But I want to use this inside my literals. So instead of all these things, I will simply say dollar single quotes value as a function, reload, the number is 20. You can see you can even use a function inside a statement. This is so great thing that it is going to be very useful. Let's just do one thing more. Okay, here I will say I want to use HTML inside that. But before that, I will show you the problem with the simple thing. So if I say an anchor tag, then like that, I have to use hello here, and then I will say href is equal to, we have to use single quote because we cannot use double quote here. So say hash, then let's just comment this, reload the page. Yeah, that's nice, but what if I want to somewhere use double quotes? I cannot do that. So what I can do, that should be a anchor tag. So now it is here. But here within literals, let's see the result. So I will use this here and I will say anchor tag with a href of, I will use double quote hash, and here closing the anchor tag, reload this, and you can see it is here, and everything is so clean. And this means you can use almost anything inside this backticks, and this is so great. Okay, so all these things are for template literals, and we will meet in the next episode. Until then, if you have learned, then just hit like button. Don't forget to share this video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like Bitfumes on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So we will meet in the next episode. Till then, goodbye.